How to add song to video in mobile. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about that how to add song to your videos using your mobile phone. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now let's learn how to add a song to your videos. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now what you have to do, you have to go to your mobile phone and open Facebook. Over there you have to click on this plus icon and go to the reels, and after that you have to select a audio. One second. You have to you have to select a video, and if you want to add audio on it, just click on audio and reduce the video voice, add music, and search whatever you want to add. I am adding flute. I love flutes, and adding this flute music. After that, click on next and publish this reel. Share now. Click on share now. After sharing now, it will uploaded on internet, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to your profile. One second. I am going to my profile, and from there we will see our shorts. Click on that and click on these three dots and click on download reels. When you click on download reels, your reel will automatically download it to your device. That's your reel. Now you can use this reel to share on your mobile, laptop, computer, WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you want to do. So hope you understood how to add music without any software, without any hassle. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye for now.